What's going on, guys? Miguel here, back with another video. I'm super excited to be bringing you this video because, like I said before in previous videos, I'm going to be dropping weekly videos to help you guys up your trading game as well. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing because, like I said, I'm going to be dropping a couple of videos each week. And if you haven't turned on your notification setting bell, do so because you want to be alerted when I drop these videos, because these are definitely going to help you take your trading to the next level. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw support and resistance, because I'm not sure, like, I feel like a lot of people sleep on support and resistance because they think it's so quote unquote basic. Like, support and resistance is one of the foundations to trading. So if you're not using support and resistance, you're playing yourself, because literally, guys, if you don't know when the market's going to turn around or when the market's going to have issues or bounce or reject, and just literally, like, it can take your trading from zero to hero. Because think about it, if you're basically trading blindly if you're not using support and resistance. If you don't know where price is going to turn around, bounce, and all that good stuff, then you're literally just hoping that it turns around wherever you think it's going to turn around. Like, oh, it's been dropping forever, blah blah blah. Like, you know what I mean? It's got to turn around, you know what I mean? Like, no, that's not how it works. It's whenever it's ready to turn around, you will see, like, it bounce off a previous support or resistance. History repeats itself. I say that all the time. So the first thing I do is I go to the daily time frame, and then I go to the line chart. The line chart is definitely key in finding support and resistance because it helps you find key areas without all the extra wicks and all that good stuff. It's just all the candle close and stuff. So I go to the bar style. You can go to bar style and find the line chart right here. Boom. So you want to go ahead and zoom out a little bit. You don't want to zoom out too much, so we're going to keep it current. And we're basically going to go ahead and start from low to high. So, okay, so we're going to go start from the low area on the left side. So the left low area, and work our way up and draw some zones. I'm not going to do too many. I'm just going to show you an example of a few, okay? So you can definitely put this in your charts, use it, and hopefully take advantage of potential setups. You don't want to clutter our chart as well. Like, we don't want to clutter our charts, but, like, you know, excessive amounts of zones, because then it would be like no point in putting even zones. You would just have a bunch of lines. Take that into consideration. So what you want to do is you want to find areas where price bounces on both sides. So when you're on the line chart, literally it bounced right there, and it bounced on the bottom. It also bounced a little bit right there, and over here as well. You can tweak it a little bit just to make sure that it's getting right in the center of everything. So you can just move the line up, you see? So like now it's right in the center and it's rejecting on both sides. Rejection, 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 rejection. Okay, and it all looks super clean. It's bouncing off both sides. That's a good level right there. And then basically just move your way up. Like I said, move up, left, all the way up. So let's find some more areas. You want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush it for sure, because it's definitely an important thing you can apply to your charts to maximize profits. If you see it missed it by a little bit on both sides right here, missed it. But if you go back to the candles, it hit it. Boom. Okay, there you go. And then basically it bounced right there, and so on and so forth. So that's a couple zones right there. Let's continue moving up. So you don't want to clutter it up too much, but you want to make sure that you're getting major zones. So you want to take any major zones into consideration. You can always delete and adjust lines as you go. It bounced right there, bounce right there, bounce right there, bounce right there, bounce right there. So let's check our candle chart, and yep, perfect. See, it's bouncing, rejecting. And as you can see, this even affected price pretty recently. Rejected right off of it. So perfect. And now it's rejecting right there, and it's definitely a key area. So guys, that's how you draw support and resistance based on the line chart. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this was some value for you guys. I'm definitely going to be dropping a lot more Forex related videos. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Turn on post notifications. Show some love, guys. Share this video. Definitely going to be dropping more and more videos as the weeks go by. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and see you in the next video. Peace.